Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Stella Live, and in today's video, I'm finally doing my Headless Horseman raised garden bed, flower bed. And really quickly, I wanted to show you some plants that I planned on unboxing in this video, but time just dragged on to get this video done. And this video is on the shorter side, unfortunately. I hope it's still entertaining to you. I had a lot of fun putting it together. I did want to make this flower bed all black flowers, but spoiler alert, there is no black plants in this flower bed because I could not find any. I couldn't even find the black petunias that I had found previously for my Beetlejuice shed makeover. They're all gone. But one of you, I think it might have been last year, informed me that they have mondo grass. This is black mondo grass. It will eventually turn black. I am very confused though, because there's a slug in this. I ran outside to get them. That's why they're drenched. And a slug is hiding in one of them. So, anyways, I'm just going to show you these really quick. These are the black mondo grass plants that I ordered. And I was getting mixed information on what zone they do well in. I am in zone 4B, 5A. So if you know anything about mondo grass, will these survive in northern Michigan? Please let me know. And I'm still very confused on where to plant these because it says they do okay in shade. Then I'm getting like they can be in full sun. I don't know. So if you have any knowledge, please educate me. Okay, I had to go put those plants back outside. I did take the slug out, just so you know. No slugs were harmed in the making of this video. Anyways, again, this video is on the shorter side. There are no black flowers, but maybe next year I can put some black flowers in there. I can do a little bit better. In fall, I'm going to see if I can find some black tulips. Maybe that will work out in my... Ooh, that was my cat. Maybe that will work out in my favor. Anyways, this intro has already dragged out way too long, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, first things first, I actually planted 3 hydrangeas behind this flower bed. I did film it, but unfortunately, I have purchased a new phone and I've been having difficulties trying to transfer the files from my old phone to my new phone. So unfortunately, I just had to cut those clips all together. But I will put a photo on the screen of what these hydrangeas look like. They're very beautiful. They have like this dark green leaf. It almost appears black. Not quite. You can definitely tell that it's still green, but it's a very deep dark green. Anyways, the next thing I did was I started painting the cinder blocks black because it would match the Headless Horseman. And the reason why I chose to do a Headless Horseman flower garden is because if you guys don't remember, or if you're new here, I purchased this Headless Horseman, I think at the beginning of last season. I had one, it was gold, and then I ended up giving it to someone I met at Home Goods. And then I purchased I had found the black one, that's why I gave the gold one away. I had purchased this black one, and I accidentally broke it literally like minutes after I bought him, and I told the lady she did not need to wrap him. Instant regret, but I feel like it still probably would have broke even if it was wrapped because I whacked it pretty hard against a tote on accident when I was putting it into my vehicle. Anyways, I had planned on gluing it back together, but the pieces got lost inside of them and I couldn't get it out, and I was going to give it to my sister, and my sister didn't really know if she wanted it. So then I came up with the idea of using the Headless Horseman in this flower garden. And I thought it was I thought it would be a really cool idea if I could use some pebbles and lay out like a little path for him to be traveling on. And then we've got the solar lights that I purchased from Walmart. And here I am just laying out some flowers where I want them to go. Again, I really wish that this whole thing was just a bunch of black flowers, but where I live, it's all really bright flowers. So I picked out the darkest colors I could find, and these were it. After I figured out where I wanted every flower to go, I planted them. I did have to end up moving a couple of them because they were in the way of the fence that I eventually will be putting up. And the fence was more so to keep my son out of the flower bed, because I did have a couple of other plants in here and I ended up moving them because it was not a good spot for them. This spot gets full sun. So what my son was doing, he was coming up and taking scoops of dirt and throwing them on my flowers. So I found the fence, and it does add to the decor, but it was kind of to keep my son from throwing dirt on my flowers. Alright, now we are getting to the part where I'm putting up the fence, and y'all, I was getting so frustrated with this fence. I put this clip in normal speed, so you could see that anytime I would hook one fence to the other piece, it would come unhooked. I was getting so frustrated. I definitely cut some clips, otherwise this video would be forever long. And this is the hydrangea that I planted. At least I have that clip to show you. I'm really excited about how this turned out, but I really would have loved some black flowers in there. Again, I'm really hoping to do that next year, but I still really love it either way. Anyways, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I know that I said that I was going to be putting up my spooky candle collection next, but I think that I'm going to be doing a different video first. But I'm still going to be doing the spooky candle collection. My son is barking in the other room. Anyways, I am going to be uploading another video before that, but the spooky candle collection should be up by Tuesday or Wednesday. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!